Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this fruit pap? These are what I will be using: mango, tangerine, orange, apple, banana, water, picnic, and that is the pap I will be using. I'm not promoting the video, guys. So I added 4 tablespoons of pap, water. I will mix until it is without lump. For those of you always coming to watch me, comment, share. I really appreciate your love and support. May the good Lord bless you all. Here is properly mixed. I will add hot water from the kettle. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Also check other of my videos out that you might find helpful. So I gave it a proper mix. If you want to add sugar, now is the right time for you to do so. So I'll pour in the mixed fruit and I'll give it a good mix. So once I'm done, I will add in more of the picnic. I'll combine and give it a good mix. Guys, this recipe is a bomb. It came out so nice, so good, so delicious. Try it and you will like it. So it's ready to be served and enjoyed. So once I'm done with this, I'll also add more of the picnic. What is pap without picnic? Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.